up? It's your girl Brandy Gibbs. I'm back on your screen to share with you all an unboxing. As you can see, here is a box, and I got my knife ready so I can open this box. But this is a sponsored video from Temu. It's pronounced Temu, and they are a online marketplace that offer competitive prices at an affordable price. They have like multiple items that you can choose from clothing to shoes to household items. They have fashion, jewelry, decor. The list is endless. So just to let you all know that you can enjoy the convenience of life by choosing to shop online with Temu. And with that being said, we are gonna get into this here video. All right, y'all, so this is the box that it came in. I was able to select some items that I thought I would be interested in, and as well as yourself. They have affordable pricing, quality products, and then you can use my coupon code, which is 30% off on items, so that is even better. I'm gonna put this box here on the floor so I can just go right in it. Take this stuff out of here. This is gonna be fun. And they also have a site-wide sale with savings up to 90%. They have free shipping, free return up to 90 days. They accept all major credit cards, even debit cards. So don't forget to click that link down in the description section of the video so that you can save, girl. Okay, so let's go on to the video. The first item that I picked up, and I don't know about y'all, but I like these Temu bags. Oh, I got some exercise clothing, some leggings. Okay, let me see what size these are. This is a size large. I am excited about this. I can't wait to try it on. But I wanted some like clothing that I could wear like going to the grocery store, something real comfortable. And I can attest that this is nice quality, in my opinion. Guys, so I'm back. This is the outfit that I had got from Temu. I showed you guys this in the last Temu haul, and I really like it. Like I said, it has pockets, and it's just really comfortable. Okay, so let me try on the leggings for you guys, the ones that I just picked up from Temu. The stitching is nice, so we shall see. It's real nice and spandex. It does stretch, so if you're interested in something like that. Did remember getting another color as well. I think I got like 3 because I was like, these are super cute, and I had to get one in pink. Y'all know I love me some pink, so I'm definitely gonna try them on. I want you guys to shop my coupon code so that you can save. Girl, I done ordered 3 of the same. They better be good. And I've ordered the teal because they were super cute, but I wanted some like exercise clothes. Am I gonna exercise? I don't know, but at least I am showing you guys what they have on their website, because I know some of you all do exercise, workout, and all that good stuff. So you'll see that they have affordable pricing. So there is no reason. And I like how they suck your stomach in. But these are the leggings. And I love the color. They're cute. They're like a teal color. But I made sure that and they fit good. They don't look see-through, and I don't like leggings and you can see through. Alright guys, and these are the gray high-waist leggings. They cinch you in. The next item is these pants. I don't even remember order them. I probably did, but I ordered these. These are in a extra large. Okay, maybe I did. I don't remember, but yeah, they have these little checkered pants. That's another item. Then we have, I think, some beauty products. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, loves, then I have these little bitty, look like candy or something, but they're not. You actually put them in water and they absorb. They are on-the-go face towels. You can, look, it looks like a little peel. And you just drop it in the water and it expands right before your eyes, girl. And so I'm gonna squeeze it out like right here so that you can see. And then you have a little washcloth if you're on the go and you need to wipe your face, wipe your hands. If you're at like a restaurant and you can't find any, I don't know, if you're at a restaurant somewhere you need to wipe your baby hands, these are items that you might want to carry in your purse. You never know when you need something like this. And I like stuff like this, okay? So let's move on. There right here. And then in here, I picked up a massage comb for your hair. And it's like this wooden type of material. And you just, you know, place it in your hair and massage. You know, it's not a comb, but it just massages. Just massage your scalp. Get the blood circulating. I always misplace my bonnets. So I ended up getting this cute little pink bonnet that has like butterflies on it. Really, really cute. You guys know I like going to bed looking semi-cute, you know. And I'm also wearing an outfit from Temu, FYI. I did this in the last haul and I just wanted to wear it for this here video. I actually went shopping on today. And this is like one of those outfits that you wear when you shop. Oh, girl. So I have this little makeup puffer and you just put your hands, your fingers through here. It has a little ribbon on the back and you can get in the corners or the crevices of your eye when you're putting your powder. And I picked up, or I ordered these two. They were very inexpensive. So you need to go on their website. What is this, y'all? I'm believing that this is hand soap on the go. So you open it up. I also got it in blue. I'm so excited, you guys. So, and it smells super, super good. It has a really nice smell. So you have these little sheets. And say for instance, if you're in a bathroom that doesn't have any soap, 9 times out of 10, you will find yourself in somebody's restroom, either at work, out, wherever. You can use this, wet your hands, and it lathers up and it smells absolutely divine, for real. So get these. I'm going to show you the blue one. You can get one for your girl, one for your boy if you have kids. These will be great. I like this. Okay, so the next item, I did get a Puma Stone because, you know, when you get out the shower, or before you get out the shower, I like to scrub the bottom of my feet with a Puma Stone, or sometimes when I'm giving myself a pedicure. So I always, so I opted for this cute little purple Puma Stone. And the last 2 items that I picked up. Now, this reminds me so much of, I'm gonna just show y'all. Hold on, let me take it out the plastic. What does this remind you of? We're not gonna say any names, girl, but it says it's by Olati. It's a lip oil and it is cherry oil infused. And girl, what this look like to y'all? Let's see if it's the same doe foot. It smells a little minty. This, yeah, it's like a clear. It has like a hint of pink, but you can't really tell. But it smells really minty. That, and then I also picked up one that says 001, which is supposed to be like a pink. If you ask me, they kind of look the same. But I always try to get some kind of lip product. Actually, you know what? They gave me the same ones. And now that I'm looking at it, because I'm like, why do they both look the same? But it's 2 in pink. I figured, I'm like, so they did give me the same items. I picked out some more of those sponges. I got them in pink as well. Because I'm always doing my makeup, so I'm gonna need them. So I got 3 of the pink. Three of the pinks. Then when I do my nails or give myself a pedicure, I needed one of these little buffers for your fingers to file. And this was really inexpensive. I don't even think this was over $2. Probably 94 cents. But it's a bunch of them. There's 10 of them. And then I got an old shaver, which looks like so. And it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So it has 9 razors. And it's a multi-layer blade. It's multiple effects. It's comfortable, durable, and it's sharp. I also picked out a glove because I like to exfoliate my body with the glove. And this is good, especially like getting under your arms to take away the old deodorant, you know, and then you could just change hands. But it's a body scrubber glove which replaces traditional bathing towel. I'm never gonna take away my bathing towel. I always use my bathing towel, but this is just a easier way to clean, grabs, and remove dirt off your body. So especially like your underarms, under the breast area, and just areas that you can't get to. It's really, really good, especially when you use that Dr. Bronner soap with this. And then I picked out like an apple slicer, and you just, you know, slice the apples. Looks like that. I've been wanting one. I don't even own one, but now we do. They gave me another lip oil, but it's the same color, so this makes 3. Maybe I just ordered the wrong ones, girl. I don't even know. Okay, this is a bath sponge. And I've seen somebody use this and it got like the dirt that you thought you got, you know, stuck body. But girl, when you use this sponge, why I feel like that? It's weird. It feels weird, y'all. Okay, so you know, you just rub and you'll see like on your foot, the dead skin will start sloughing off. So I wanted to get something like that. We're gonna see how that works. I'll update you guys on how it works out. I also got some detergent, washing machine detergent tablets. You get 12 in here. I'm not gonna open it up because I'm not ready to use them, but it's just to help clean your washing machine. And I also picked out some more multicolored nail buffers. I got a Seajoy. It's an oral or Irrigator cordless water flosser. It has 5 cleaning modes, 300 milliliter capacity, 5 jet tips, 30-day continuous usage, and waterproof. And this is like, there's 2 that's like spray, and then you have one that's a brush. So this will be great to use. And here is where you put the water in. Just close it up. It's real nice and sleek. It's black and it has your power button, but we don't have no water in there. And then you have pulse, strong, normal, gentle, and soft. And then it'll let you know if your battery needs to be charged. So this is really nice. I'm gonna show you. It's a real nice, sleek device to have. You just go up in that mouth, do what you got to do. But this is really great, and I'm gonna put this up. Okay, we have a cute white top that cinches in. I seen this online and I thought it was cute, and I picked this out, I think in an extra large. We're gonna see how this bad boy looks on. Okay, although this blouse is a little wrinkled, this blouse is amazing. I love the fact that it cinches in the waist and it's like long. It covers up the butt area, especially when you don't want to show too much. I like the little puffer sleeves, and you can have it to look a little bit sophisticated. But if you want to be more conservative, you can actually button it all the way up. But I'm looking in the mirror and I do like this here blouse a lot. I'm so glad I seen it because I can actually wear something like this to work. It's really cute. I'm thinking if I wash them, they will be just fine, and they fit just like regular schmegular leggings. It's cute, and yeah, you got a lot of room right here. They don't have pockets, okay? So keep that in mind. This would be a cute outfit to put together, you know, to break up all that checkered. I don't usually go for checkered, but this is really cute. And then I think it pairs really well with this top or this blouse, and I can wear them with some cute little sandals in the summertime. I love a good crisp white shirt, and these go just, these are a nice piece. Last bag that I have in here, let me open it up and see what I picked out, honey. Okay, I picked up some cups because you never know, you always need cups, and I like to eat ice, so I'll just put some ice in this cup, crunch on it, and we're good to go. Or these are kind of like too big to, well, you probably can, but you can also like put your mouthwash in them and rinse your mouth out. Have these in the bathroom. And the last item is This is a bathroom rug. It's supposed to be like once you get out the shower, it dries quickly. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna put it upstairs and see how it works. But this is cute. Really nice. So you know, you have pros and cons to everything, and for the majority of this year, I loved everything. I liked everything. I'm gonna try out that bath. The only thing about that bath mat, I wish it was a little bit bigger or longer, should I say. Everything else is what I expected. I'm gonna try on these outfits and hopefully they look right, okay? So again, I encourage you all to shop down in the description section of the video. The selected items that are in the description box below. And then you can expect to save, guys, an extra 30% off by using my unique coupon code. I'm going to list it down in the description section of the video, and I'm also going to place it right here so that you guys could save. Again, I want you to know that there are exclusive discounts for the handpicked items that I chose. Yeah, guys, these items again were very, very reasonable, and you will not be disappointed because it's like really, really cheap. So go on over to their website and let them know that I sent you. Alright guys, I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye y'all.